Dear students, today chapter 4 Algebraic Identities of class 9th R.D. Sharma. Exercise 4.3 from question number 10 we will continue. Question number 10, if 3x minus 2y is equal to 11 and xy is equal to 12, find the value of 27x cube minus 8y cube. Here the value of 3x minus 2y is equal to 11 given and xy is equal to 12. So we have to find out the value of 27x cube minus 8y cube. So write the given things first. 3x minus 2y is equal to 11 and xy is equal to 12. So we have to find out 27x cube minus 8y cube is equal to, put question mark. This we have to find out. So notice this. This is given 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. If we are making the cube of both sides, then 3x whole cube will become 27x cube and 2y whole cube will become 8y cube. So from here we can get the value of this 27x cube minus 8y cube. So take this and cubing on both sides. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. This is given. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both the sides. 3x minus 2y whole cube is equal to 11 cube. Now here apply the identity a minus b whole cube. So since a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This identity we have to apply here. Here a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 2y. So open this. A cube means 3x whole cube minus b cube means 2y whole cube minus 3ab. A is equal to 3x and b is equal to 2y into a minus b. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 11 cube. 11 cube, 11 into 11, 121 and 121 into 11 is equal to 11 1 ja 11, carry over 1, 11 2 ja 22 plus 1 23, carry over 2, 11 1 ja 11 plus 2 13, 1331. So this is 1331, which implies 3x cube, 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27x cube minus 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8y cube minus 3 3 ja 9 2 ja 18xy into 3x minus 2y is equal to 1331. Now we can substitute the value of xy and 3x minus 2y is equal to 11 and 12. So which implies 27x cube minus 8y cube minus 18 into xy is given 12 into 3x minus 2y is given 11 is equal to 1331, which implies 27x cube minus 8y cube minus 18 into 12 into 11. Multiply this 18 into 12 into 11. This is 2376. You can multiply this is equal to 1331, which implies 27x cube minus 8y cube, and shift this negative term this side, 1331 plus 2376, which implies 27x cube minus 8y cube is equal to 7 plus 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 3 10, 3 3 6 1 7 2 1 3. 3707 is the required value of 27x cube minus 8y cube. 3707. Question number 11. Evaluate the following. We have to evaluate their values. 103 whole cube. Part first, 103 whole cube. So this 103 whole cube can be written 100 plus 3 whole cube. Now we can apply the identity a plus b whole cube here. Since a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 3. Open this. 100 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 a 100 into b 3 into a plus b 100 plus 3. Simplify this, which is equal to 100 cube means put 6 0, 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is 10 lakh plus 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 plus 3 3s are 9 into 100 900 into 103, which is equal to 10, and this 6 zeros, 2 0 and 3 more zeros. 10 lakh plus 27 plus 900 into this 103, so put this double zero first. 9 3s are 27 and 9 1s are 9. Now add this 0 7 0 7. So this is 7. Second digit 0 plus 2 2. Third digit 7 7 plus 0 7. Fourth digit 2 2. Fifth digit 9. This is fifth digit 9 plus 0 9. And sixth digit 0 and seventh digit 1. So this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh 92,727 is the required value of 103 whole cube. Question number 11, part second, 98 whole cube. 98 whole cube can be written 100 minus 2, 98 whole cube. Now we can apply the identity a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Here a is equal to 100, b is equal to 2. Open it. 100 cube minus 2 cube minus 3ab 100 into 2 into a minus b 100 minus 2, which is equal to 100 cube means 6 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 minus 2 cube 8 minus 3 2 just 6 into 100 600 into 100 minus 2, 98, which is equal to 1 and this 6 0, 4, 5 and 6 minus 8, 600 into 98. So put this 20 first and multiply by 6. 6 8 ja 48, carry over 4. 6 9 ja 54, 54 plus 4, 58. 58. So which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Minus 5, 8, 8, 0, minus 8 says minus, minus, yes, minus, minus, plus. So this is 8 into 0 into 8, 8, 8, 5. Now we have to subtract this from this from this, subtract this, borrow 1. So 10 minus 8, 2. 2. Here 9 left, 9 minus 0, 9. Here 9 left, 9 minus 8, 1, 4 digit. Here 9, 9 minus 8, 1, 5th digit. Here 9, 9 minus 5, 4, 6th digit. This is 9, and so this is once once tens, 100,000, 10,000, like 9,41,192 is the required value of 98 whole cube. Question number 11, part 3rd, 9.9 whole cube. So this 9.9 can be written 10 minus 0.1 whole cube. Now we can apply the identity here, a minus b whole cube. Since a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Here a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 0.1. Open this by this identity, 10 cube minus 0.1 cube minus 3 into 10 into 0.1 into a minus b, 10 minus 0.1, which is equal to 10 cube 1000 minus 0.1 cube 0.001, put decimal after 3 places, minus 30 into 0.1, this is 3.0, into 10 minus 0.1, 9.9, which is equal to 1000 minus 0.001 multiply by 3, 3 9 ja 27, 2 3 9 ja 27 plus 2 29, so 29.7, which is equal to 1000. Add this to negative, so this is we can add like this, 0.001. In adding, this is 29.71. When we add or subtract the thing, then this decimal should be just below to each other. So, and we can put 2 more zeros here, 107 decimal 92, 29.710. This is 29.701. Now subtract this from 1000. So 1000 minus 1000, put 30, 29.701. Borrow 1, 10 minus 1, 9. This is 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. Put decimal. 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 2 7, and this is 9, 970.299. This is 970.299. So this is the required value of 9.9 whole cube, 970.2. Question number 11, part 4, 10.4 whole cube. So this 10.4 whole cube can be written 10 plus 0.4 whole cube. Now we can apply the identity a plus b whole cube. Since a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab into a plus b. Here a is equal to 10, b is equal to 0.4. So a cube means 10 cube plus b cube means 0.4 cube plus 3 a 10 and b 0.4 into a plus b 10 plus 0.4, which is equal to 10 cube 1000 plus 0.4 cube 4 4 ja 16 4 ja 64, so 0.064. Put the decimal after 3 places from unit. Plus 10 3 ja 30, 30 into 0.4, 34 ja 120, so 12.0. This is 12.0 and this is 10.4. So 1000 plus 0.064 plus 12 into 0.4, 10.4, 12 4 ja 48, carry over 4, put decimal after 1 place. 12 4 ja 48, 4, 12 0 0 plus 4 4 and 12 1 ja 12, 124.8. Now we have to add this all three. So 100 point, put 30 here, and this is 0.064 and 12.124.8, put 20, add them, 0 plus 4 plus 0 4, 6 8, put decimal, 4 2 1 1 1 1 2 4 8 6 4, 1124.864. This is the required value of 10.4 whole cube, 1124.864. Question number 11, part 5th, 598 whole cube. So this 598 whole cube can be written 600 minus 2 whole cube. 600 minus 2, 598. Now apply the identity. Since a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Here a is equal to 600, b is equal to 2. So which is equal to 600 whole cube minus 2 cube minus 3a 600 into b 2 into a minus b, 600 minus 2. Open it. 600 cube 6 6 ja 36, 6 ja 216, and put triple 60, 3 4 5 and 6, minus 2 cube 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, minus 3 2 ja 6 6 6 ja 36 and 20 into 598, which is equal to 216 and this 60, 2 3 4 5 6, minus 8 minus multiply by 36 into 598, 2158 2152,800. Now, which is equal to 21660123456. This both minus minus plus, add 8 here. So this is 2152,808. Now subtract this from this. So after subtracting, so 2166 6 times 0, 2152,808. Subtract this from this. So finally 213,847 and 192. Subtract this from this, we will get this. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 21 crore 38 lakh 47,192 is the required value of 598 whole cube. Question number 11, part 6, 99 cube. So 99 cube can be written 100 minus 1 whole cube. Now we can apply the identity a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3 times ab into a minus b. Here a is equal to 100, b is equal to 1. So which is equal to 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into a minus b, 100 minus 1, which is equal to 100 cube, put 6 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 cube 1 minus 300 into 99. 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 minus multiply 300 into 99, put 2 0. 3 9 are 27, 2 3 9 are 27 plus 2 29, which is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, both minus, so add them. So this is 29701. Subtract this. 10 borrow 1, 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 7 2, 4 digit, 9 minus 9 0, fifth digit, 9 minus 2 7, sixth digit 9, 970299. So this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 9,70,299 is the required value of 99 whole cube. Question number 12. Evaluate the following. Again we have to find out the values of given 111 cube minus 89 cube. So this we can write, this 111 can be written 100 plus 11 whole cube minus this 89 can be written 100 minus 11. 100 minus 11 is equal to 89. Now in both the brackets we can apply the identity. In first bracket a plus b whole cube and in second bracket a minus b whole cube. So what are the identities? Since a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and one more, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. These two identities we can apply here. Here A is equal to 100, B is equal to 11. So A cube is 100 cube plus B cube 11 cube plus 3AB, 3 into 100 into 11 into A plus B. So 100 plus 11 minus, here A cube minus B cube, multiply by minus sign also. So 100 cube plus minus will become minus 11 cube, and multiplying by this minus sign, minus minus plus 11 cube minus 3AB minus minus plus 3 into A 100 into B 11 into A minus B 100 minus 11. Carefully. Now some terms are getting cancelled here. 100 cube negative and 100 cube positive cancelled, and other things we can add. So which is equal to this 11 cube coming 2 times. So 11 cube 2 times. So 2 into 11 cube plus this 3 into 100 into 11, 3 into 100 into 11 we can take out common. So 3 into 100 into 11, this is common here, 100 plus 11 left here, plus 100 minus 11 left. Now simplify this, minus 11 plus 11 cancelled, and this 2 into 11 cube, 11 into 11, 121, 121 into 11, 121 into 11, 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, 123, 11 1 ja 11 plus 2 13, 1331. So this is 1331 plus 11 3 ja 33, 33 into 100, 3300 and 200 plus 100, 200. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2 plus 33 into 2 or put 40. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 32, 2 ja 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. Both are positive. So add them, 6 6 6 4 0, and this is 2 6 6 2. 2 6 6 2 6 6 6 6 2 6 6 2 6 6 2 6 6 2. So this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 6,62,662 is the required value of 111 cube minus 89 cube. Question number 12, part second, 46 cube plus 34 cube. These we can write. This is 40 plus 6, 46 whole cube plus 34. We can write 40 minus 6 whole cube. Now apply the identities. A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B, and in second term A minus B whole cube identity. A cube minus B cube minus 3 times AB into A minus B. Here A is equal to 40, B is equal to 6, A is equal to 40 and B is equal to 6. Apply the identity in both the brackets. So A cube 40 cube plus 6 cube plus 3 A 40 into B6 into A plus B. So 40 plus 6 plus, in second term, A minus B whole cube, 40 cube minus 6 cube minus 3 into 40 into 6 into a minus b, 40 minus 6. So this 6 cube negative and 6 cube positive cancelled, which is equal to 40 cube. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 64 and this 30, 64 and this put 30, 1 minute, which is equal to, here this 40 cube and 40 cube coming 2 times, so 2 times 40 cube plus here 3 into 40 into 6 and 3 into 40 into 6 we can take out common. So 3 into 40 into 6 common, here 40 plus 6 left, here 40 minus 6, and minus sign multiply, we have to multiply by minus sign. So it will be minus 40 plus 6. Minus 40 plus 6. Simplify this, negative 40, positive 40 cancelled, which is equal to 2 into 40 cube, 4 4 ja 16 4 ja 64 and put 30 plus 3 6 ja 18, 18 4 ja 72 and 0 720 into 6 plus 6 12. Multiply by 2 this 30, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12 plus 720 into 12 10, 12 2 ja 24, 2 12 7 ja 84, 84 plus 2 86. Add this 2, so 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 0 4, third digit 6 plus 0 6, fourth digit 8 plus 8 16, 6 1, fifth digit 2 1 3 and 1. So 1 lakh, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 1,36,640 is the required value of 46 cube plus 34 cube. Question number 12, part 3rd. 104 cube plus 96 cube. This we can write 100 plus 4 whole cube plus 96 can be written 100 minus 4 whole cube. Apply the identities a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3 times ab into a minus b. In first term this is a and this is b, a and b, which is equal to a plus b whole cube, 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3ab, 100 into 4 into 100 plus 4 plus a minus b whole cube, 100 cube minus 4 cube minus 3ab into a minus b, 100 minus 4, which is equal to this 4 cube cancelled, positive negative, 100 cube, 100 into 100 into 100 3 times, so 60. This 100 cube coming 2 times, so 2 into 100 cube, and take out common 3 into 100 into 4, so plus 3 into 100 into 4 common, here 100 plus 4 left, here 100 minus 4 left, multiply by minus sign, minus 100 minus minus plus 4, negative 100 positive 100 cancelled, this 2 into 100 cube put 60, 2 3 4 5 and 6 plus 3 4 are 12 into 100, 1200 into 4 plus 4 8, multiplying by 2. So this 2 and put 6 0, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 12 8 ja 96 and put double zero. Add them 0, second digit 0, third digit 6, fourth digit 9 and fifth 6 7 digit as it is 0 0 2 20096. This is the ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 9,600 is the required value of 104 cube plus 96 cube. Question number 12, last fourth part, 93 cube minus 107 cube. This can be written 100 minus 7 whole cube, this is 93 cube, minus 100 plus 7 whole cube. Now we can apply the identities. A minus b in first bracket, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, and in second bracket a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this is a b, which is equal to a minus b whole cube, 100 cube minus 7 cube minus 3a into b into a minus b, 100 minus 7 minus a cube, multiply by this minus sign, so 100 cube plus 7 cube plus minus minus 7 cube plus 3ab plus minus minus 3 a 100 and b 7 into a plus b 100 plus 7. Here this 100 cube negative and 100 cube positive cancelled, minus 7 cube coming two times, so minus 2 into 7 cube. Here minus 3 into 100 into 7, minus 3 into 100 into 7, take out common, minus 3 into 100 into 7 common, so here 100 minus 7 left and this minus common, so multiply by minus plus sign, 100 plus 7 as it is. When we multiply this is minus and this is minus. This negative 7 positive 7 cancelled, which is equal to minus 2 into 7 cube, 7 7 ja 49 into 7 343, 343 minus 3 7 ja 21 into 100 2100, 100 plus 100 200, so 3 2 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, minus 686 minus 21 2 ja 42, 2 or 2 40, which is equal to, both are negative, add them and put minus. First digit 6 plus 0 6, 8 plus 0 8, third digit 6 plus 0 6, fourth, fifth and sixth digit as it is 0 2 4, minus, so this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, minus 4,20,686 is the required value of 93 cube minus 107 cube. So I think it's enough for today. Remaining questions of this exercise we will solve in next class. Okay, bye.